might go in there on a bet.
Morning. It's Metalfish. We're not fishing today.
Metalfish out of water.
Yep, there's the hiking buddy. The other half of Drunken Plumbers. We're gonna go hiking. I agreed to go hiking with him. He's gonna drag me up one side of a mountain and down the other side of the mountain. I look happy and not so tired now. By the time the end of the day comes, I'm not gonna be moving. Fat man dying. Fat man dying. Help me. I've only walked maybe 10 minutes and I'm dying. This guy's killing me.
What's right? He must be the old one. Ancient. Nothing works.
I've gotten, what, 10, 15 minutes up a hill? The hill's like this, and I'm only, not very far from the guy. I'm ready to roll down the hill. I'm tired. Help me.
Old guy's making him look bad.
Alright. I'm trying my best here. We're moving out with Mr. Bell's Jingle Jangle Heimer Spit over here. Walking uphill. This is what we're doing. Walking up this frickin' hill.
Yeah, backwards even, and I'm beating him.
The old guy's walking. Oh, he almost tripped on a stump.
Yeah, well.
Hey, Jingles, watch out for the stump. Look at this frickin' hill. Good God. What did I get myself into here? Not only is it dirt, stumps and stones.
Yeah.
Look at this guy. He's just running away from me.
All I said is I was going hiking. You were the one who said, "Can I go with you?"
You hear this guy?
You must have been delirious.
I think I had one too many soda pops.
Yeah, no, I think there was beer involved.
No, I don't do that.
Oh, okay. That's good. Now we got that straightened out.
Good God, look at this hill.
Yeah, it's almost over.
I'm going to die now. Okay, several hours of hiking in no man's land. Seen a few people. Walked 6 miles. Got up to the top of Bear Mountain, the whole 9 yards. I'm done. I'm tired. I'm officially taking the towel and throwing it in. I'm done. Hiking is not for Metalfish.
Yeah, Gramps had a tough day today.
Sliver in the shoes.
Ever since he jumped on a grenade in Vietnam, he's never been the same.
They whacked me with my foot too many times, I think.
It's over.
Done.